In one of my consulting projects, I was tasked to improve the service delivery of a repair center for one of the leading global computer manufacturers. Typically, a customer would walk into the store, and in many cases, they would have a software issue. In some cases, not. There was a real failure, defective part, perhaps in the computer. So the service desk would then typically diagnose the computer to see what was at fault and try and repair on the spot if possible. And in some cases, a part was needed. So the manufacturer would typically consign stock. So you would be able to order the part. It would arrive in a number of days. Repair the computer, and then, when the computer was ready, alert the customer to the fact that the computer was ready for collection and they could come back to do that. So the computer manufacturer had some key metrics to drive performance and, essentially rewarding good practice, specifically around metrics in terms of first-time fix, average parts per repair, and then turnaround time. How long did it take from the time the customer left the computer behind until they were able to come and collect it again? So I'll start with a series of videos and training, just specifically zooming into those particular metrics. I look forward to speak to you soon.